Okay. Yeah. Namaskar. Actually, so majorly, so the project that we had started from iCard was basically to collate data, collate data over the last 4 months, and we've been working with our block experts, primarily collecting some essential government data related to essential government services, which cover both from health to finance to the conditions of migration workers, and it extends to other socio-political conditions as well. मुख्यतः आमे एटा देखिବାକୁ चेष्टा करथलु जे कोविड समयरे आमे माने लोकमानकर सरकारी सुविधा पाइबारे कोन क्षमता थिला एवं अन्यान्य जिनिस जेपरि सेठी कोनोसी गंडगोळ सेठी कोनोसी रायट्स कोनोसी हिंसात्मक परिस्थिति थिला कि थिला नाही तो एई सब मधरे 4 मास मधरे आमे अनेक गुडी डेटा कलेक्ट करि पारिछु आ आपण मानको बहुत धन्यवाद जे आपण माने हमर सहायता करछन्ती दमयंती मैडम हेतु थिले जने ब्लॉक एक्सपर्ट होता तंकर किछि नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी जोगु से एबे नाहंती प्रताप is with us and Debashish is our teammate from iCard who has also volunteered and helped and collected and all of us have called and collected the data. So I'll ask Debashish to actually give a small overview of the kind of data that we have been able to collect in the last 4 months with from our block experts who have given us ground reports every 15 days and later for after 1 month. So Debashish, if you could just...
Hi, am I audible? Okay. So initially, when the data was collected, we found out that the migrants were actually coming back, and on overview scale, there has been a repeated lockdown and unlockdown, which has actually made the what you say the recovery process actually slower than it would actually had been. And let me share the screen. Just hang on. Yeah. Yeah, is the screen visible? Okay. So initially, what we saw that the access to food for water was initially very easy to get because the government has actually provided that. I mean, in the panchayats, they had given it for like 3 months. So and the water supply eventually, as we see, the water issues had decreased because of the MG, NREGA and the digging of the wells. As a rainy season came over, we actually have been seeing that the wells have actually been filled with water. and then the issues of food distribution. This is the PDS shops were always being provided to the people by the Gram Panchayat. So usually people didn't go to the ration shops that much. So that was one positive thing, and the government decided it because they didn't want the people to travel that far. The private shops access, it was initially they whatever the stock they had earlier, they had the stock, they used the stock up, and as we see in July, the access decreased because whatever stock they had, they finish it up, and the new stock was not available that much. As for the food distribution, this is interesting because initially people were given food distributed, and after June, the government has stopped it. About the price increase, the initial days of price increase was due to the anticipation that people will actually will be facing difficulties, and there'll be no more stock supplies left. So initially the price went up very much. So eventually, as time progressed, they came down, and there was also one cause of the fact was that the food that was grown locally was also sold locally. So that would mean the price could not be that much. Yeah. And midday meal distribution, the students were initially provided the midday meal for 3 months. And now as we going through August, we're seeing that the government is providing midday meal in the form of cash. Drinking water access, I would say that it has been fairly normal for, I mean, the previous years of work of the government for over and because of that, drinking water access has been better. But drinking water access has been an ongoing process. So yes, about the healthcare facilities, there's one. Uh, people have an people have had the access of healthcare facilities, but there's a certain lurking fear that if they go to government centers, they will get the disease. So there is this fear is actually making people not go to the government centers. But then, but interestingly, when we talk about the Asha Didis and Anganwadi Didis, they have been in the front line in ever since, and they have been providing all the information and all the what I mean. They've been providing all the information and medicines to the people. While now we're going to cash and credit. Now this has been a fact that people have initially they had all the savings with them, but as the time went by, the savings went down, and now they're going to banks. But going to banks also has been an issue for the people because one is because of the distance. The second reason is that the banks have been having low staff, and they have been having low money also. So for a person who goes to bank, they need to go to 3-4 times to get their money, and sometimes they don't even get that much money as they intend to get. And availing of cash benefits, um, people have been able to get the cash benefit schemes as the government has been providing the benefit schemes to the like old age pension, widow pension in the homes of people.
Devashish, sorry to disturb you. Just can you be loud? Someone is asking, or else can you please put your mic nearby your mouth so
Yeah,
that
it's
it will be
can
audible?
you hear me clearly? Hello?
Yeah. It's okay. It's fine. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Uh, and now we're coming to the income loss. Now, the income loss of different sectors have been significant over the time. Initially, let's start with the farming sector. Initially, the farmers dealt with the issues of not non-transport and not being able to get the things to be sold in the local market or in the or outside market. And initially, as time progressed by, it has been seen that after the first loss of the crop, there has been certain fear of the farmers to plant the crops again, because as they had seen the crops getting destroyed, so they don't want to sow a crop which is a short term crop. So they are looking at long term crops. Even if you look at right now as we speak, the farmers actually are not being able to sell all their products, and some of them are actually rotting in the streets also. And looking at the craft workers, it's an interesting thing to be seen that culture and the craft are actually going hand in hand. So when let's say festivals have been stopped, so like marriages and local festivals, the craft workers don't have much opportunities over here also, because the question goes that if the transportation has stopped, so the local market has to suffice for their sales. But right now, as we see that local market where the festivals have stopped, so their sales also has been stopped. Self-employment, to talking about self-employment, initially people have had a lot of difficulties because of the lockdown. The shops have been closed, and right now also the shops are getting closed and open. And due to the repeated opening and closing of the shops, we are also seeing that the the recovery of the self-employed people is also very hard. Now, for daily wage laborers, this is a very interesting thing. Initially, they had a huge loss, but after that, during June, all the construction works and whatever work could happen was started again. But as the COVID cases rose again, we're seeing that in July, the same situation we're coming back, where the daily wage laborers are also having issues in finding employment opportunities. Okay, and now coming to MGA and REGA. Though there is increased demand for MGA and REGA, but due to the what I could say, one reason is the people are farming right now. And the second reason is that due to the difficulties in getting their card registered and getting their money back from getting the money from the MG and RGA, it's not that easy. So the interest is actually decreasing over time, and they would actually looking for other opportunities. And one more point is that the people who have come back from outside states, they seem to have low interest in working for MG and REGA, and they prefer something more skilled and having more higher pay, because they had been having a pay of double or even more, let's say 500 rupees or more per day. But as they come back to their own places, they realize that the MG and REGA pay is not that high as they anticipated. And there's also a certain kind of the kind of, I would say, young people feel that it's inferior. MG and REGA is more of a physical labor, and they prefer more of a mental or easier labor, which they have been habituated with. Now talking about migration, initially the migration was good a back, but now as we speaking of right now as we speak, people are planning to go back to their own workplaces. One reason is because of the savings have dried up completely. And I would say the second reason also would be that they're not finding that any other job opportunities over there. So yeah, and talking about social discrimination, initially there was some in South Orissa, there has been low social discrimination, but as we speaking right now, as the COVID cases rise, the discrimination also has been increasing towards people because of the fear that who may have caught the disease or not. I guess that's it. Can I? Yeah, that's it for social discrimination. Yeah. Okay. Can you hear? Yes. Abhinash? Yeah, I gave Abhinash. Yeah.
Thank you, Debashish. I think that was a summary of all the data that we collected. And Pramila Madam also she's joined us. And thanks Debashish for summarizing what we've collected until now. ଏବେ एक्चुअली आमे प्रथम स्पीकर को पाखु जिबा प्रमिला मैडम तांकुठु जानिबाकु चाहबे से लिविंग फार्म सहित काम करंती मुनिगुडा ब्लॉक रु से आम सहित 4 मास 3 मास हेलानी हमको ग्राउंड लेवल रो डेटा दबारे बहुत साहाय्य करछंती एवं कोविड सिचुएशन सहित निजे मुखामुखी एकदम पूरापूरी भाबरे जड़ित अछंती देखुछंती ग्राउंड लेवल रे कोन चलची कोन नहीं। तेबे प्रमिला मैडम जदि आपण ए मुहूर्त आसबाकू चाहिए आपण वीडियोटी एवं ऑडियोटी ऑन करके आम आपण बेजिकली जानिबाकू चाहूथलु जे ए मुहूर्त रे ओडिसा रो आपणकर दक्षिण ओडिसा रे कोविड को लेकी गोटे जनरल कोन परिस्थिति तयारी हेछि ए समय मध्ये माने आमे स्वास्थ्य भी देखि परिबा लोकंकर पीडीएस हो किंबा अन्य सरकारी चाकरी ये हो तो मेजरली से सब क्षेत्र रे एबे लोक मानकर कोन परिस्थिति आपनकर कोन तार गोटे अनुभूति कोन कहि परबे आपन कोन लागुची परखिला परे से परिस्थिति आपनकर ऑडियोटा म्यूट अछि प्रमिला मैडम आपन म्यूट अछि
वर्तमान जेते बेले एबे फेरिछंती बाहरु यूथ माने तो गाँव रे से माननको काम मिलिया बहुत कष्ट हो जाउची जो माने बाहर जाय कि को सुता कला रे काम करूथले कोठी ट्रेनिंग नउथले माने बेसिकली यूथ माने जो माने से माने बहुत हैरान होछंती तो तांको काम जगैबा पई माने कोनोसी जदी सुविधा होंता ताहले से माने आ बेक करना थांते जाई न थांते आ बाहर को काम करिया पई तो एटा उटे मेन रीजन जे सेमानंक पई किछि उटे अपॉर्चुनिटी रो आवश्यकता अछि।
ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଦେଖିବାକୁ ଯିବେ ଅନ୍ୟାନ୍ୟ ପରିସ୍ଥିତି କେମିତି ସୃଷ୍ଟି ହେଇଛି ମାନେ ମହାମାରୀ ଆସିବା ପରବର୍ତ୍ତୀ କାଳରେ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାରର ରିଆକ୍ସନ ଦେଖିଥିବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବ୍ଲକରେ ହଉ କିମ୍ବା ଦକ୍ଷିଣ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ହଉ ଏଣ୍ଡ ମୁଖ୍ୟତଃ ଦକ୍ଷିଣ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ଯୋଉଟା କୁହନ୍ତି ମହାମାରୀର ପ୍ରକୋପ ମଧ୍ୟ ବେଶୀ ରହିଥିଲା ରହିଛି ମଧ୍ୟ ଏବେ ଯାହା ହେଲେ ବି କମୁଛି କିନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରକୋପ ମୂଳରୁ ସେଠି ବେଶୀ ଥିଲା ତ ଆପଣ ସେଇ ପ୍ରକାରର ଯୋଉ ରିଆକ୍ସନ ଆସିଲା ସେ ରିଆକ୍ସନ ଟା କେମିତି ଥିଲା ବୋଲି ଆପଣ କହିବେ ମାନେ କଣ କଣ ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ହେଇଛି କିମ୍ବା ପରିସ୍ଥିତିରେ କଣ ଇଏ ହେଇଛି ଟିକେ ବିସ୍ତୃତ ଭାବରେ କହିପାରିବେ?
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେମାନଙ୍କର ଚାଷବାସର ଦିନ ଏଇ ଚାଷବାସ ସମୟରେ ସେମାନେ ସମୟରେ ଠିକ ସମୟରେ ବିହନ ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି ଠିକ ସମୟରେ ସାର ପାଇନାହାନ୍ତି ସେଥିଲାଗି ସେମାନେ ଇନଫ୍ଲୁଏନ୍ସ ହେଇଛନ୍ତି ମାନେ ଚାଷବାସ ବି ଠିକ ସମୟରେ କରିପାରି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଯୋଉଟା ତାଙ୍କର ଲାଇଭଲିହୁଡ କୁ ମାନେ ସୁଧାରିବା ମୁସ୍କିଲ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ସେମାନେ ବାଧ୍ୟ ହେଇକିନା ଏବେ କିଛି କିଛି ଚାଷ ଜମି ଖାଲି ଖାଲିରେ ଛାଡୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେହେତୁ ସମୟରେ ସେମାନେ ଚାଷବାସ କରିପାରି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଏମିତି କି ଯେ ସୋସିଆଲ ଗ୍ୟାଦରିଂ କୁ ମନା କରାହେଲା ତ ତାଙ୍କୁ ମଧ୍ୟ କେହି ହେଲ୍ପ ବି କରିବାକୁ ଆସିପାରି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଯଦ୍ୱାରା କି କାମ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ହେଇକି ରହିଲା ଆଉ କାମ ହେଲା ରହିଲା ପରେ ବହୁତ ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଏବେ ଧାନ ଚାଷର ଯୋଉଟା ରୁଆ ରୁଇ ସମୟ ସେଇଟା ଏବେ ବହୁତ ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ହେଇକି ରହିଯାଇଛି ଯାହାକି ହେଇପାରିନି ବହୁତ ଜମି ଫାଙ୍କା ଯାଇଛି ଏଇଟା ସହିତ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କ ପାଠ ପଢା ଗାଁରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଚଳିବା ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା ଯେମିତି ଗୋଟେ ନର୍ମାଲ ଥିଲା ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏବେ ସେଇଟା କଣ ହୋଇଛି ଯେ ସମସ୍ତେ ମାନେ ଦେଖି ଚାହିଁକି ଚଳୁଛନ୍ତି ଯେମିତି ଯୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କର 10 ଟଙ୍କା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ ହଉଥିଲା ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ ସେମାନେ 5 ଟଙ୍କାରେ କେମିତି ଚଳିବେ ସେଇ ପ୍ରକାର ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା କରୁଛନ୍ତି କାରଣ ସବୁ ଜିନିଷ ଏଇ କରୋନା ପାଇଁ ବଢିଛି ଗ୍ରୋସରୀ ଜିନିଷ ହଉ ଖାଇବା ଜିନିଷ ହଉ ଯେକୌଣସି ଜିନିଷ ବହୁତ ରେଟ୍ ବଢି ଯାଇଛି
ठीक अच्छे मैडम आपको तो जान लो आमे आमे आउ जने जो स्पीकर अछि तांको जिबा प्रताप इफ यू कुड कम इन एंड just also give a general remark about what you've observed in terms of how your block has responded and in extension the clusters of blocks around yours in the district have responded to the challenge of this disease and epidemic as it is called a pandemic.
Yeah. So in specifically to Gajapati district, yeah,
Pratap, your audio is breaking.
Specifically to Gajapati district, I can comment. My audio is breaking. Is it still breaking? Just wait a minute. Just. Yeah, is it audible now?
Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, is it audible?
Yes.
Yeah. Specifically to Gajapati district, see Gajapati, Ganjam, and these are the districts. There's a huge in-migration at the time of COVID. You know, basically after lockdown. So most of the people migrated from different metro cities or cities to Gajapati and Ganjam districts of Odisha. So now they have been staying in villages for the last 3 months at least. So with regard to PDS system, yes, PDS system is working in most of the urban and semi-urban areas. Even in the village level, PDS system, government is able to distribute the food. With respect to education, yes, children are unable to go to school. So as you said, midday meal, there's no midday meal as such as of now. So government is directly transferring the money into their accounts, and access to food and basic necessities is a difficult thing. Basic necessities in the sense, you know, access to food or some kind of food, it's in overall sense it is okay, but access to basic healthcare is very difficult. Not only with respect to COVID, for the other diseases. So basically, if you see Gajapati district, almost all the doctors come from Srikakulam, Vizag, and nearby cities to Parlakindi. They do this weekly clinics. They conduct these weekly clinics, and people used to come on weekdays or weekends, whatever it is. People used to come regular checkups, and people used to come get some medicines from the district headquarters. Now the total scenario has been flipped. government hospitals are only fully concentrated on COVID. So what about the other diseases like a diabetic patient, a BP patient, and other normal diseases patients? They are unable to, access a primary health care. And there are also few deaths we have recently encountered in Gajapati districts, not due to COVID, it's only due to fear. In some of the villages, people are, they have a fear, and due to that fear, they are unable to go to a nearby doctor and check up for normal fever or malaria fever or something else. So there are also these kind of deaths are happening, and that's mostly in, in aged people or in some people who are more than 40 to 50 years of age. These kinds of situation is going on presently in Gajapati district. Yeah, do you want me to comment on some other area?
No, actually, so yeah, so what we were trying to also look at, we had another BE with us from Bamra. So Damayanti ji is not able to join us. So what we were trying to have from you in this first introductory remarks is a basic understanding of where the block is and what the issues you're facing and you've seen. So that we've been able to collect. So what we will do now is specifically sort of move into the first focus area, which is employment opportunities during COVID-19. Pramila madam, आमे बे प्रथम पर्यायटा सारी की द्वितीय पर्याय प्रथम पर्यायर जो मेजर फोकस एरिया अछि सेठी के जाउछि एंड सेटा हला एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज कोविड समय रे. So what we will do now is ask Pramila madam to specifically focus on what she mentioned in introductory remarks about what kind of issues are being faced in employment sector, and particularly from Pramila madam, we will try and know what is the condition of self-help groups and the farming sector. So Pramila madam, जदि आपण हमको टिके self-help group स्वयं सहायक गोष्ठी एवं चाष क्षेत्र रे केमिति समस्या आसीची गोटे विस्तृत भाव आलोचना करिक पुंखानुपुंख भाव पर्टिकुलरली कौन इश्यूज आसीची को प्रकार इश्यूज मिटिगेट होची ब्लॉक लेवल रो केमिति सेटा मिटिगेट होची टिके हमको डिस्क्राइब करियो जेमिति प्रश्नोत्तर समय रे आपण अनेक जिंस कहिथिले जदि टिके बिहन कथा जदि हम भाबिबा बिहन सरकार तो कहिथिले कि लोन देबे तो से लोन रो एक्सेसिबिलिटी केमिति रहूची तो ए जिंस गुडी को जदि टिके आपण डिस्कस करिक ताको जदि टिके एक्सप्लेन करि परिबे
जेतिकी आवश्यक सेतिकी परिमाणर बिहन आउ उपयुक्त समय रे बिहन मिलवा बहुत कष्ट हेची. समस्तंको पाखकु समस्तंको जेतिकी आवश्यक अछि आउ जो समय रे आवश्यक सेटा से माननकु पाई पारि नाहंती. एटा हला मुख्य समस्या. ता सहित जो सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप को कथा कहउचंती सेमानंको पाखरु प्रथमे तो माने जो माने ऋण नेथिले सेमानंको प्रथमे ऋण माने टंका कलेक्शन करिवे जे कोनसी भी हालत रे तांको टंका फेरेबार अछि. एई प्रकार तांको जोर जबरदस्त भी करा जाउथिला. परे परे एटा टिके सुधुरिला. बाकी सेमानंको पई वर्तमान किछि लोन नउचंती किंतु कोविड पूर्व जो प्रकार सुविधा थिला सेमानंको पई वर्तमान एते सुविधा स्वच्छल भाबे हेई परिना.
ओके किंतु प्रॉब्लम मैडम जोटा आ गोटे मैटर भी थिला इठी म आपन गोटे छोट प्रश्न टे करबी जे एसएचजी माननकु माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स मानकर खाइबा रांदिबा पय अनेक जगह रे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स दिया हितला एवं से कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स गुडिकर टंका परिशोध मध्ये हे पर नथिला ब्लॉक लेवल ब्लॉक स्तर रे से मानकु ऋण नबा पड़थिला निज हातरो खर्च करिया पड़थिला. तो आपण एटा टिके कहि परिबे कि से स्वयं सहायक गोष्ठी मानकर रोल कोविड समय रे किपरि प्रभावित हेछि माने ता पूर्वरु जो अवस्था थिला परे रोजगार रा माध्यम निश्चय बढ़िछि किंतु कोन आगे
रोजगार रो माध्यम बढ़िनी रोजगार रो माध्यम बढ़िछि किंतु इनकम लेवल इंक्रीज किछि हेनी. इनकम लेवल एज यूजुअल जेमिति पूर्वरु थिला किछि मात्रा रे जहा टिके इन्फ्लुएंस हेइथिला सेटा टिके संभाळी हेइछि किंतु इनकम जनरेशन टा हेई पारि नाही किछि दिन पई सेटा थिला आउ सेटा सरीगला परे वर्तमान भी कोठी दिया जाउनी सेमती आउ एसएसजी मा माने प्रकृत रे सेमानकर इनकम टाको इनकम जनरेशन कमी जाइछि कारण स्कूल रे सेमाने रोसई करथिले मिड डे मील रोसई करथिले सेटा बंद हे जाइछि आउ गां मानकरे बहुत गुडे आहार केन्द्र जोटा थिला सरी हमर जोटा टाउन मानकरे सेठी एसएसजी ग्रुप मानकु दिया हेतला करिया पई बहु जगह रे सेटा भी वर्तमान बंद हे कि अछि तो सेमानकर इनकम जनरेशन पाई बहुत गुडे अव्यवस्था हे कि अछि वर्तमान
आउ चाष क्षेत्र रे आउ कौन से प्रकार समस्या जोटा आपन को दिसुची जोटा होय तो आपन वर्णना करि परना जे हम सहित कथा कल
ଚାଷରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉ ଲୋକ ମାନଙ୍କର ଥିଲା ଚାଷ କାମ କରିକିନା କିଛି ଲୋକ ଲେବର ୱାର୍କ କରିକିନା ପଇସା କିଛି ପାଇ ପାରୁଥିଲେ ସେଇଟା ସେମାନେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପାଇପାରିଲେ ନାହିଁ କାରଣ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ କୋଭିଡ ସମୟରେ सोशल गैदरिंग को मना करा हला जो मानक पाखरे पैसा अछि सेमाने ट्रैक्टर टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करिकी सेमाने सेमानकर चाष काम को आगे नेले लोक माने आ काम पाई पारिले नाही तो एइटा भी गोटे समस्या हला जो माने काम कले सेमाने पाइले आ जो मानक पाखरे टंका थिला सेमाने तांको पैसा इनकम करि पारले जो मानक पाखरे पैसा नाही सेमाने ना चाष करि पारुचंती ना लेबर काम भी करि पारुचंती
So yeah, so what dhanyawad Pramila madam. So what I'll do is at the end I think after taking Pratap's and Devashish's comment I'll try and translate and give us brief overview of what Pramila madam had said. So we'll just move to Pratap who is also going to tell us a little bit about so Pratap, if you could come in here and of what Pramila madam was also saying. We are trying to look at what happened to education and livelihood development during these lockdowns. And if you could throw a little bit of light on that and tell us a little bit about what you've observed specifically in that area, how these two things were affected.
Yeah, education, basically the primary education has been totally, kind of halted. So there's no such any kind, only some private schools are able to conduct some online classes for the students, or else all the government schools are unable to connect to the students at the primary level at least. So coming to the students of class 10th, due to the pressure on this common exam for everyone, so few areas they are able to manage with some kind of classes, like even they are able to push through Doordarshan also. And Odisha is having so much of tribal hinterlands, so there's lack of connectivity and network. There's a lot of network issues. Even Odisha government recently, one of the education minister of Odisha has he has posted a photograph of students sitting on some trees or on the branches of the trees to get the network connectivity for their online classes. So this is a kind of situation with respect to education. And the other thing is livelihood. There is nothing kind of development in the sense of livelihood creation. Most of them at the time of lockdown they have lost their livelihoods. Few of them able to get back their livelihoods, or few of them skip their livelihoods and converted to some other kind of livelihoods which as of now in demand. So few people tailors or SSG groups, they are able to get on into mask making, cloth mask making, and these kind of things. And as you mentioned, these SSG groups earlier, they got this contracts of cooking for these quarantine centers. Now the concept of quarantine centers is also closed, so there's only isolation centers. So again, though there's nothing, I didn't find any, only the source of livelihood in the rural areas. is that Manrega, MGNREGA works, and the farm works, which normally seasonal crops, or the people who have land, they're able to manage with farming, and the people, few of them are able to participate as a farm laborer. But most of the people who are the immigrants, they are unable to get into any kind of work, at least in their peripheral areas. So yes, the people are lying in their villages because there is this problem of connectivity and communication to go to urban areas and work there. So this is the situation as of now in rural India. Yeah, and somewhere I read recently that even the definition of necessity among the people is also changing. So that's what even people are buying the things which are most necessary to them, or else they are also the purchasing capacity of the people has been gone very much down. So this is what.
Okay. Thank you, Pratap. So I think Damayanti ji has joined us. Damayanti madam, jodi apankara audio video ta on kari paribe tike. So Damayanti madam, she is a block expert from Bamra block in Sambalpur, and she works with Foundation for Ecological Security and has extensively worked in Manrega as well. So Damayanti madam, आपको देखी पारुनो अनुमाने?
ना एक्चुअली मोर चार्ज लाइट नहीं,
ओके
तो
ओके
चार्ज बहुत कम अछि, तो सेति पय मो खाली ऑडियो टा ऑन कर।
ठीक 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 अछि ओके। तो एक्चुअली हमें डिस्कशन जोटा करूथुलु सेटा अपन नथिले, जोटा होछि कि जदि आपण टिके एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज विषय में डिस्कशन चलथिला बे, तो आपण जदि टिके मनरेगा विषय स्पेसिफिकली टिके आपणकर जो अनुभूति थिला, जेतो आपण माने फील्ड रे काम करछंती, तो मेजरली मनरेगा रे एम्प्लॉयमेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज एबे केमिति गोटे जदि ओपनिंग रिमार्क्स आपण देबा को चाहिबे एई समय रे कोविड-19 समय रे मनरेगा केमिति हे जाय छै, माने मनरेगा केमिति भाबे देखुचंती, मनरेगा रो कोन अस्तित्व, तार कोन गुरुत्व, जदि ता विषय टिके हमकु इनिशियली इंट्रोड्यूस कर परिबे कोन छै?
मनरेगा एबे एक्चुअली ग्रामांचल रे जो भाबे एबे काम को चली छी, तो बेसिकली हम जानिबा जे मनरेगा हला गांव अंचल पई गोटे उपयुक्त स्थान, जोटा कि गोटे अणकुशली चाषी, अणकुशली जो लोक श्रमिक अछंती कि मजूरिया अछंती, तांको पई ए मनरेगा ही बहुत गुडे सपोर्टिंग हेकी छिडा हेची। तो मनरेगा को हमें देखिबा जदि कहिबा आगरु जो सरकारंकर जो नियम थिला कि 100 दिन रो काम करिवे, एबे ताकू 150 दिन कर दैछंती, गोटे 150 दिन कर दैछंती। आ तार गोटे अमाउंट कम थिला, सेतळे 150 टंका ना समथिंग थिला, किंतु एबे तार 207 टंका हे जायछि। आउ से माने निज एरिया रे निज एरिया भितरे 5 किलोमीटर भितरे से माने जदि काम करिवे, ताहेले तांको 207 टंका मिलिबो। ताठु टिके दूर को गले सानको मिलिबो तार 20%, माने 40 टंका अधिक मिलिबो। आ सेठारे माने बहुत गुडा माने सुविधा भी थिबो, जेमति कि तांकर पानी रो व्यवस्था हला किबा किछ बसिबा पय किछ स्थान दरकार, तो सेमति किछ अछि। एमजीएनआरजी रे माने जो काम गुडा को चली छी एबे कोविड-19 को देखिबा को गले, जेमति नवीन पटनायक अनाउंस कले कि एई काम एई वर्ष बंद होबनी बोली, तो एई काम पय बहुत गुडाई जिंस सरकार आगो को नै छंती, जेमति कि हमें देखिबा को गले विशेष करी जेमति जल संरक्षण उपरे, तापरे वनीकरण को देखि बा, तापरे क्षुद्र जलसेचन जेमति कि छोटे छोटे बंध मान निर्माण करिवा, केनाल सृष्टि करिवा, तापरे लैंड डेवलपमेंट अछि तांकर विशेष जिंस गुडा को सने काम करचंती। आ ए जगह जो प्रवासी माने आस्तिले से एई जगह रे किछि ना किछि एम्प्लॉय माने काम करिवा पई तांको पई किछि माने उपयुक्त माने काम मिलिछि, तांको किछि ना किछि भाबरे तांको पई हितकारी हेइछि, जोटा कि लाभ हेइछि। जो हमर एमजी एनर्जी एटा बंद न हवा जो माने नहले तो एटा वर्षा सीजन रे हमर बंद हो जाए प्राय तो से बंद हेनी ए वर्ष जेहेतु चली तो आगको यही सब जिनस अच्छी माने चलुची एबे भी माने कंटिन्यू चली भल भल जिनस अच्छी
एक्सेसिबिलिटी रहुची जोटा हमें कथा रे होथिले जेतबेला हम प्रश्न उत्तर भी करथिले डेटा कलेक्शन समय जे लोक माने केते दूर पर्यंत काम पाई परुचंती से जो प्रश्नटी जोटा विराट बड़ प्रश्न ओडिसा रे मध्ये एबे उठुची जे काम दबार प्रतिश्रुति अछि निश्चय किंतु काम केते जण पाई परुचंती तो आपण कोन अनुभव करछनी काम सेटा विषय जति कोन
एक्चुअली सत कहवाकू गले लोक एमती हे गलानी जेमती कि लोक फैक्ट्री काम करबा पई इच्छा करिवे किंतु जमी रे चाष करबा पई समान को इच्छा नहीं सत कहवाकू गले आउ गाँ अंचल रे जो माने जाऊ नाहंती बाहर को जाऊ नाहंती कारण मुख्य कारण हला से माने निज पई किछि जदी किछि भलो जमी अछि किबा किछि आमदानी करूछंती गाँ अंचल रे ताहेले से माने जाऊ नाहंती आ जदी किछि लोक अछंती जो माने टिके किछि माने एजुकेटेड भी अछंती आ जो टिके पढी जाइछंती से माने जमी को चाष करबा पई जाऊ नाहंती किबा तांकू जदी अलगा को जगह रे काम करबा को पड़े ताहेले से माने सेटा करू नाहंती एटा गुडा बड़ प्रश्न आम माने ग्रामांचल पई जे जदी किछि युवक कि जो 18 वर्ष रु ऊर्ध्व जो व्यक्ति माने अछंती जो माने जदी काम पाइबेनी बाहर को जीवे काम करबा पई किंतु निज अंचल रे काम करिकि किछि करबा पई से माने इच्छुक नहंती आउ सेटा सत कहबा को गले मु जो तो ब्लॉक लेवल रे मु देखिली सार को हमें जतवाला कहू एपीओ को सारे में जतवाला कथा हो से माने लेबर खोजिबा पई माने गोटे श्रमिक खोजिबा पई तांको बहुत गुडाए लोकन को कहिबा को पड़े काई ना देखो यार प्रथम नियम हैला जे यांगर जॉब कार्ड थिबा आवश्यक मानकर जॉब कार्ड जदी भी अछि तार जॉब कार्ड नै कि अलगा जणा काम करिवो माने से लोक काम करिवोनी अलगा जणा काम करिवो और से अलगा जण यार जॉब कार्ड रे जतोळ पैसा पडिवो ता खाता रे बैंक खाता रे तो से पैसा से अलगा जण को दबोनी तो सेमती केते गुडाए प्रॉब्लम अछि जोडा कि हमें फेस करू छु एबे भी किंतु तथापि एमजी एनर्जी काम चली माने किछिटा मेशनरी रे करूचंती किछि जो जगह रे व्यक्ति बाहरले से जगह रे व्यक्ति माने भी काम करूचंती तो देखिबा को गले मोटा मोटी भाव रे देखिबा को गले लोक काम करिबा को कुंठा बहुत करचंती सत कहबा को गले किंतु गवर्नमेंट रो जो जिंस अछि से माने दायित्व बान हे कि भी किछि काम होउनी माने हम सरकारी क्षेत्र रे भी किछिटा किछि गैप रहूची जोटा कि हम लोकन को जेमती गाँ सभा किंबा पल्ली सभा रे ई सब जिंस गुडा को तांको जणैबा दरकार सेटा भी होउनी एंती कि हमर गोटे नियम अछि ग्राम सभा रे तांकर सब जिंस माने जहा जहा काम बाहरी छि सब समान को लोकन को सामना रे ता आलोचना करिवा कथा किंबा पल्ली सभा रे ता आलोचना करिवा कथा सेटा हमर केते दूर सक्षम भी हे परछि लोकन को पाखु भी पहुंचुनी आ लोक जागृत भी होनांती तो सेटा हला गोटे मुख्य कारण आ जेतेबेले माने हमर जेतेबेले जॉब रो नियुक्ति खबर जेतेबेले नियुक्ति तांकर गोटे विज्ञापन बाहिर दरकार माने जहा भी गवर्नमेंट रो जो जो काम बाहरुची से काम ऊपर तांकर विज्ञापन बाहिर बाको से विज्ञापन भी बहुत क्षेत्र रे लोक सूचना भी पाई पारन तो सेटा भी गोटे अछि जो गाँ रे गाँ से ग्राम सेवक भी रहंती माने गाँ सेवक कोन तांको कहते गाँ साथी बोली कहंती से गाँ साथी भी जो अछि सी भी इन्फॉर्मेशन सब लोगों को दे पारुनी तो बहुत गुडाए गैप अछि सरकारी क्षेत्र रे देखिबा को गले भी एटा भी हमर गैप मेंटेन होउची
बुझिली ठीक तो एंड एगुडा सब माने त्वरान्वित मध्ये हेथिबो ए कोविड समय रे तो तबे एगुडी को समस्या मध्ये होची पुराना किछि समस्या थिला और एबं नुवा भाबरे जो समस्या गुडी आसे से दुइटा मिसी की आपण सेटा
तो टोटली मीटिंग करी होउनी गाँ रे तो सेटा तो लोकन को पई खाली गोटे हमें कहिबा गाँ साथी को किबा सरपंच को कहि देले से जाय कि जदी किछि लोक बाहर करि पारचंती सेटा ही बड़ कथा नजत तो लोक कोविड पई प्राय जन तो कोविड पई ही लोक भी चाहचंती जे हम बाहर को जाय कि काम कोन पई करिवु एमती भी हला जो मान को ओडिसा सरकार नै कि आसिला पुणी नै से माने पळेले जो जगह को जाई आसीतिले जो जगह को आसीतिले जो जगह रु आसीतिले से जगह को पुणी पळेले एटा गुडे आज्ञा
हाँ नहीं एटा हम एक्चुअली हाँ एटा एक्चुअली परवर्ती राउंड रे हम डिस्कस करबा एटा टिके माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स का विषय रे तो मेजरली अपन जोटा कहउछंती कि हाँ सेटा बुझी पारली हम एबे धन्यवाद प्रमंज मैडम मु आई विल गो टू देवाशीष if you have anything to add in terms of what we have also found in terms of data reading and your experiences of having called up people from other blocks as well and other clusters.
Regarding the income generation, there is an interesting trend that young people are getting trained in the local areas, but due to lack of opportunities, they always want to move out. And right now, as we speak, also people have been planning to move out as soon as the COVID situation ends. So this is one thing which has been a repeating pattern over the time, and even the fact that I would say all the sectors have been equally damaged, and the people actually don't have much options to even look forward. And I would add to that that the savings of the general population has come down. So as the savings has come down, people don't want to spend anything else other than the essentials, which is directly affecting the other businesses also. So once we have no money left, so people don't employ anybody else. This is also, and fact that having seen the losses over the time from the farming sector or from the businesses, let's say let's take about craft laborers. They have seen their things lying in their places. They're not able to sell it. They're actually resorting to other measures like setting up so where they used to sell the avenues for people to sell their goods in places. When that happens, people actually resorting to to sell it to anybody to anybody. I would say to the fact that corn was sold at 3 rupees per piece, and it is also said that in a location people were actually threw away the bamboo products were sold
Devashish. I think we lost you,
Yeah, can you hear me
Devashish.
now?
Yeah, better.
Yeah, and also the fact that when people are unable to sell their goods, they're doing distress sales. Now that would mean that people are selling the product very fractional rate than they could have got. I would say the plates, paper, the I would say the leaf plates, they were sold at around 10% of the actual cost to the sellers, and sellers are actually buying it in that rate. Hello, yeah, people have got their products, but they can't sell it, and once they sell it, they're selling it at ultra low rates, and which is not viable for them to sustain themselves also. And one more interesting thing is that after having faced a difficulty of seeing their crops fail in front of their eyes, they're really hesitant to grow the crops which are actually having short term, what do you say, um, far. So they're resorting to long-term crop, and as we see right now at God, they try to sell to buy the crops, but they can't sell it because of the I would say the changing climate also has damaged the second prospect of a crop also. We have got severe rains right now, and this is also directly having the what you say the crop. So yeah, farmers have been having a double impact, and eventually in future also they're actually very skeptical of growing projects and kind. So that we are having very low cold storage facilities, which carries a lot of crops from being and but this didn't happen. So what would happen? And they actually are sold in the local areas more and at a much more lower cost also. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, Devashish. And I think we can now actually go on to discuss a little bit more around specific issues of migrant workers that we wanted to look in terms of employment and them. And if we could just also quickly follow the same order and take the first comments of Pramila Madam on what does she think about the condition of migrant workers at the moment. Pramila Madam, ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଆମକୁ ଟିକେ କହିପାରିବେ ପ୍ରବାସୀ ଶ୍ରମିକଙ୍କର ଆସିବା ଏବଂ ତାଙ୍କର ଯାହା ସ୍ଥିତି ଅଛି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସେଇଟା ନେଇକି ଟିକେ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ବିସ୍ତୃତ ଭାବରେ କହିବେ। ଆପଣ ମୂଳରୁ କହିଥିଲେ କି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଚାକିରି ମିଳୁନାହିଁ and ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କର ଜମି ଅଛି ସେମାନେ ହିଁ ଚାଷ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, କିନ୍ତୁ ତା ବାଦ ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ବ୍ଲକର ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ସମସ୍ୟା କିଛି କହିବାକୁ ଯିବେ ସେଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଲାଗୁଛି କ'ଣ ହବ ବୋଲି, ମାନେ ଯଦି ଟିକେ କହିପାରନ୍ତି।
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଯୋଉ ୟୁଥ୍ ମାନେ ଯାଇଥିଲେ ବାହାରକୁ କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫେରିଛନ୍ତି ଗାଁକୁ ତ ସେମାନେ ଚାଷ କାମରେ ତ 100% ସମୟ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି, କାରଣ ସେ ହେବିଚୁଆଲ ହେଇଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ବାହାରେ ଯାଇକି କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ। ତ ଗାଁରେ ସେମାନେ ଚାହିଁବା ଭଳିଆ କାମ ପାଇପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି, ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ। ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଯୋଉ କାମ ସେମାନେ ମାନେ ତାଙ୍କ ହିସାବରେ କାମ ପାଇବା ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି, ତ ସେମାନେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଯଦି ଏଇଠି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ କାମ ନାହିଁ ତାହେଲେ ସେମାନେ କରିବେ କ'ଣ, ବଞ୍ଚିବେ ତ ସେମାନେ। ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି ଯଦି କିଛି ସେମାନଙ୍କ ସୁବିଧା ହେଲା ଭଳିଆ କାମ ଯଦି ମିଳିବ ଠିକ୍, ଅଦରୱାଇଜ ସେମାନେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ମାଇଗ୍ରେଣ୍ଟ ହେବେ, ବାହାରକୁ ଯିବେ କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ। ଯୋଉ ୟୁଥ୍ ମାନେ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି, ୟୁଥ୍ ମାନଙ୍କର କଥା ମୁଁ କହୁଛି। ଆଉ ଯୋଉମାନେ ଲୋକମାନେ ଯାଇଥିଲେ, ଯୋଉମାନଙ୍କର ପରିବାର ଅଛି, ସେମାନେ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଗଲେଣି। ମାନେ ଯଦି ଚାଷ ଜମି ଅଛି ଚାଷ ଜମିରେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ନହେଲେ କୋଉଠି ଯଦି ଯାଇକି ଲେବର କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚଳିବାରେ ବହୁତ କଷ୍ଟ ହଉଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟରେ ସେମାନେ ଚଳୁଛନ୍ତି।
Okay, thank you. So I'll just summarize also what Pramila Madam is saying for the ones who do not understand. She's actually trying to make a point about the fact that the people who have come back are not able to get jobs, and for that reason they have been trying to search for works, and especially the youngsters are disappointed and they're already in line to become migrate again. A trend that a previous block expert from Bamra was also speaking about, how the people who had come are already leaving. So we'll come back to her for a bit and ask about what is that going back looking like. Damayanti madam, ଆପଣ ବି ଯଦି ଏଟା ଆଡ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବେ ଯୋଉଟା ପ୍ରମିଳା ମ୍ୟାଡାମ କହୁଥିଲେ, ପୁଣି ଆଉ ଥରେ ପ୍ରବାସୀ ଶ୍ରମିକ ମାନେ ଫେରି ଯାଉଛନ୍ତି। ତ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଫେରି ଯିବାଟା ଆଉ ଆସିବାଟା ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଦେଖୁଛନ୍ତି? ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ, ମାନେ ଏଇଟା ମନରେଗା ପର୍ଟିକୁଲାର ଏମ୍ପ୍ଲୟମେଣ୍ଟ ଜେନେରେସନର ଫେଲିୟର ନା ଆଉ କୌଣସି ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟର ରହୁଛି, ନା ଟିକେ ଯଦି ସେଇଟାକୁ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିପାରିବା ଆମେ। ଦମୟନ୍ତୀ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ, ହ୍ୟାଲୋ ଦମୟନ୍ତୀ ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ଅଛନ୍ତି?
ଶୁଣିପାରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
ହଁ, ଏବେ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିପାରୁଛି, ଆଜ୍ଞା। ଆପଣ ମୋ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଟି ଶୁଣିପାରିଲେ? ଆପଣ ମୋ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଟି ଶୁଣିପାରିଲେ? ଆପଣ ମ୍ୟୁଟ୍ ହେଇଯାଇଛନ୍ତି। ହଁ, କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ହଁ, ଅବିନାଶ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଟି ଆଉ ଥରେ କହିଲେ।
ହଁ, ପ୍ରଶ୍ନଟି ଥିଲା ଯେ ଯେମିତି ପ୍ରମିଳା ମ୍ୟାଡାମ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏବେ କହୁଥିଲେ କି ଅନେକ ଯୁବକ ମାନେ ଫେରି ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି, ଆଉ ଥରେ ପ୍ରବାସୀ ଶ୍ରମିକ ହେବାର ଦିଗ ଦେଖାଗଲାଣି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ। ତ ଏଇ ବିଷୟରେ ଆପଣ ମଧ୍ୟ ପୂର୍ବଥର ଯେତେବେଳେ କହୁଥିଲେ, ଆପଣ କହୁଥିଲେ ଯେ ସେମାନେ ଆଉ ଥରେ ଯିବାର ଇଏ କରିସାରିଲେଣି, କ'ଣ ସମ୍ଭାବନା ଆଉ ଯୋଜନା କରିସାରିଲେଣି। ତ ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ଦେଖା ଦଉଛି? ଏଇଟା କ'ଣ କେବଳ ସେଇ ମନରେଗାର ଯୋଉ କମ୍ୟୁନିକେସନ ଗ୍ୟାପ୍, ପେମେଣ୍ଟ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ସେଇଥିରେ ଯୋଗୁ, ନା ଆପଣ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି କିଛି ବଡ ରହସ୍ୟ ଅଛି ଯୋଉଟା କୋଭିଡ ଆମକୁ ଦେଖେଇଦେଲା?
ସତ କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଯୋଉଠି ବି ସେମାନେ ରହିବେ କାମ ହିଁ କରିବେ। या तो ସେମାନେ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ରହିଲେ ବି କରିବେ ଆଉ ଓଡ଼ିଶା ବାହାରକୁ ଗଲେ ବି ସେମାନେ କାମ କରିବେ। କିନ୍ତୁ କାମ କରିବାର ଅର୍ଥ ଏଇଆ ଯେ ସେମାନେ ଯଦି ବି ସେମାନେ ଚାହୁଁନାହାନ୍ତି କି ଆମେ ଯଦି ଗାଁରେ କାମ କରିବୁ, ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ ଆମେ ଯଦି ଗୋଟେ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ୍ରିରେ ରହୁଛୁ ଆଉ କହୁଛୁ ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ ଜବ୍ କରୁଛି ଭଳିଆ କରୁଛି ବୋଲି କହୁଛୁ, ଗାଁ ଅଞ୍ଚଳ ଲୋକ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି। ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା କି ଗୋଟେ ସମ୍ମାନ ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା ତାଙ୍କର କି ନାଇଁ ସେ ବାହାରେ କାମ କରୁଛି ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ସମ୍ମାନ ଥିଲା, ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ ଥିଲା। ଏବେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ତାଙ୍କର ଅଛି ସେମାନେ ଏବେ ଗାଁରେ ଯଦି ସେମାନେ ହଳ କରିବେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଟିକେ ବି ଖରାପ ଲାଗିବ। ତ ସେଟା ଗୋଟେ କଥା ହେଇପାରେ, ମୁଁ ସେଟା ଗ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟି କହିପାରୁନି, କିନ୍ତୁ ହେଇପାରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ କି ସେମିତି ଲାଗୁଥିବ। କାହିଁକିନା ଯେହେତୁ ୟୁଥ ମାସର କଥା ଉଠୁଛି, ୟୁଥ ମାସ ଗୋଟେ ଭଲ କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହାନ୍ତି, ସବୁବେଳେ ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ ଲେଭେଲରେ ଥେଇକି କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହାନ୍ତି। ତ ସେଟା ହେଇପାରେ, କିନ୍ତୁ MGNRG କୁ ନେଇକି ଯଦି ଆମେ ଧରିବା ଅଣକୌଶଳୀ କାମ ଯୋଉଟା କି ଇଏ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବା, ତ MGNRG ଫେଲିୟର ନୁହଁ। କାହିଁକି ନା ଯାହା ବି କାମ ହଉଛି ସେମାନେ ମେସିନାରୀରେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ମାନେ ଯାହା ବି କାମ ଆସିବ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ତାକୁ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବ। ଲୋକ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ ନ କରନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା କିଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହବନି। ଯଦି ଲୋକ କାମ କରିବେ ତାହେଲେ ମେସିନର କାମ ଦରକାର ପଡିବନି। ଯଦି ମେସିନର କାମ ନ କରି ମାନେ ଲୋକ କାମ କରିବେନି ତାହେଲେ ମେସିନର ଦରକାର ପଡିବ। ତ ସେଇଟା ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଏମିତି ରୁଲ ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଯେ ସେମାନେ କାମ କରିକି କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କରିକି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟକୁ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେବା ଦରକାର। ସେମାନେ ଭାବିବେ କି ନାଇଁ ମୋର ଗୋଟେ କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟ କଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ ଯାଇକି ସେଇଟା ରିପୋର୍ଟ ଦେବି। କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବଡ ରହସ୍ୟ କଥା ଯେତେବେଳେ ଭାବିବା, କୋଭିଡରେ ବହୁତ କିଛି ତ ଶିଖେଇ ଦେଲା। କାହିଁକିନା ସତ କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ଏବେ ଲୋକ ଶିଖିଯିବା କଥା କି ଆମେ ଯଦି ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଉଛୁ ତ ବାହାରେ ଯାହା ବି ଇନକମ କରିକି ଆସୁଛୁ, ବାହାରୁ କିଛି ଏମିତି ଜିନିଷ ବି ଆସିଲା ଯୋଉଟା କି ଓଡ଼ିଶା ଭାରତରେ ନଥିଲା, ଯେମିତି କୋଭିଡ ନଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ବାହାରୁ ଯାଇକି ହିଁ ଆସିଲା। ତ ସେଟା ବି ଶିଖିଯିବା କଥା ସମସ୍ତେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ଶିଖି ପାରିଲେନି। ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଚାନ୍ସ ଅଛି ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ଯେ ଶିଖିଯିବା କଥା। ଗାଁରେ ବି ଆମେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ଜମିକୁ ନେଇକି କିମ୍ବା ଆମର ଯାହା ବି ସମ୍ପଦ ଅଛି, ଯୋଉ ଜିନିଷରେ ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ସନ୍ତୁଷ୍ଟ ହବା ଦରକାର, ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ସେମାନେ ଯଦି ଚାହିଁବେ, ୟୁଥ ମାସ ଚାହିଁବେ ଯଦି କରିପାରିବେ। ଆଉ ଯଦି ନ ଚାହିଁବେ ତ ତାହେଲେ ପୁଣି ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ସେଟା ସେମାନେ ଇଚ୍ଛା କରିବେ। କାହିଁକିନା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ବହୁତ ଜଣ ଡରି ଗଲେଣି କି କାହିଁକିନା ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଇକି ହିଁ ସେମାନେ କିଛି ରୋଗ ଆସିଛି ନା, ଯେ କୋଭିଡ ଆସିଛି, ତ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ସେଟା ଶିଖିଯିବା କଥା, କିନ୍ତୁ ଶିଖିନି। ମାନେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ପଇସା ଅଭାବରୁ ସେମାନେ, ଗୋଟେ ଜିନିଷ ବି ହେଇପାରେ, ଏଇଟା ବି ହେଇପାରେ କି ଆର୍ଥିକ ସ୍ଥିତି ଭଲ ନଥିବା ଯୋଗୁଁ ହିଁ ସେମାନେ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି। ଯାହାର ଜମି ନାହିଁ ସେ କଣ କରିବ, ସେ ତ ନିଶ୍ଚୟ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହିଁବ। କିନ୍ତୁ MGNRG 100 ନା 150 ଦିନ ଯୋଉ କାମ କଲା ପରେ, ମୁଁ ଦୁଇ ପକ୍ଷକୁ ନେଇକି କହିବି କି 100 ନା 150 ଦିନ କାମ କଲା ପରେ ତାପରେ ଆଉ କଣ କରିବେ, ବାକି 365 ଦିନରେ ଆଉ ବାକି ଦିନଟା କଣ କରିବେ ସେଟା ବି ତ ଅଛି। ଏ ବର୍ଷ ତ ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇନି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଏ ବର୍ଷ କାମ କରିବେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଇୟର କଣ କରିବେ ତାର ବି ତ ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଜନା କରିବା, ସରକାର ଯୋଜନା କରିବାର ବି ଜରୁରୀ। ଆଉ ୟୁଥ ମାସକୁ ତ ସେଟା ଦେବା ଦରକାର କି ମାନେ ଯେହେତୁ ଆସିଲା ପରେ, ବାହାରୁ ଆସିଥିଲା ପରେ ବି ତାଙ୍କୁ ବି କିଛି ନା କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଓଡ଼ିଶାରେ ରହିବା ପାଇଁ କିଛି ନା କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଜନା କରିବା ଦରକାର। ଖାଲି ଆଣିକି ଥୋଇଦେଲେ ତ ହବନି, ସେଟା ବି ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଜନା, ବଡ ଯୋଜନା ଜରୁରୀ।
ठीक है। Thank you, madam. Pratap, if you want to come in a little bit here and talk a little bit about what has been the state of workers as you observed, especially migrant workers who have come to Gajapati. And in fact, news reports also claim that people have also gotten back already to nearby Vizag, etc., where they were working in plants, etc. So what do you read of the situation? Where do you see the failures in terms of implementation of Manrega, or do you think there is not much incentive, or there is a failure in terms of community bonding where information for Manrega and community both are lagging behind? So where do you see and what do you see as the problem?
See, Manrega is also like in specifically to Gajapati district or Ganjam district, most of the Manrega works earlier used to work with the help of missionary. There is a clause that Manrega work should be conducted with the manpower itself, but earlier the Manrega works used to happen with the help of missionary, because people are also in a mindset in basically in Gajapati and around areas, they are not interested to go and participate in Manrega work because they are able to get more money than they used to get through Manrega. So they used to go for some construction labor work, or they used to migrate to some other places easily they used to earn around more than 500 per day. But Manrega fetches them 230 rupees, and there is also a middleman there with respect to different political parties. So they also need to pay some 10 or 20 rupees to them also. So people are not at all interested to participate in Manrega work. But now the situation is changed. Uh, those who all came back from urban areas to the villages, they somehow people see, as ma'am said, people who have land, they are at least able to go and cultivate something in their lands. And the people who don't have lands, and so they are able to at least participate in the Manrega work. But there is also this, the different types of caste factor and political party factors involved in, involving people in Manrega work. There's also kind of, people seeking for Manrega work, and the political parties, asking them they support, if you support us in the coming elections, then only we will register your name and issue a job card to you. These kind of things happening in the rural areas, through sarpanchs or through other ward members, the councillors. So this is the kind of economic and political situation in rural areas.
Okay, thanks, Pratap. That was that was useful. What we will do now is, if Debashish, if you want to come in a little bit and comment a little bit about on how the future looks like to you, and then we can ask the other panelists also what do they think can be done, some recommendations, or what they think things might look like in the future or something. Debashish, if you want to come in right now. I think okay. So we'll go to Pramila madam then, and when Debashish comes in and join us. Pramila madam, आपको कौन लगुची स्वयं सहायक गोष्ठी एवं चाष क्षेत्र रे आगामी किस दिन रे आपण कौन देखुछन्ते आगामी किस दिन रे स्थिति बदलिबो, स्थिति केमती कौन रहिबो चाष क्षेत्र रे हो कि स्वयं सहायक गोष्ठी क्षेत्र रे हो, सेमनको ऋण हार एगुड़ा सब विषय आपनकर कौन धारणा रहउची एबे कौन दिसुची आपन
वर्तमान परिस्थिति स्वच्छल हैला भलिया लागु नाही, कारण धीरे धीरे इनक्रीज होची पॉजिटिव केसेस, सेति पय लोक भी भयभीत होचंती। ता सहित लोक मानकर जीवन जीविका भी बहुत हैरान होचंती, जेहेतु शटडाउन लॉकडाउन रहउची। जो माने माने भेंडर गाँ रे बसी के ना बिक्री करथुले पनीपरिबा कि निजर परिवार चलेबा पय ठेलाटे करूथुले बिकुथुले, सेमाने वर्तमान सब बंद हो जाइछे। तो सेमानक आर्थिक स्थिति बहुत दयनीय होइकी अछि। और एटा स्वाभाविक हवा पई जहां तो वर्षे पाखापाखि निश्चय लगिबो जदि लॉकडाउन शटडाउन जदि एमिति कंटिन्यूस न हुए। एटा होचे मेन रीजन लॉकडाउन और शटडाउन लगी।
और चाष क्षेत्र रे मध्ये आपन लागुची जे आगामी चाष सीजनटा मध्ये एई भली अवस्था रे जिबार चांसेस माने एमिति जदि असुविधा लागि रुहे तबे
निश्चय हां
ठीक अछि। चाष
सब जिनिस माने समानकर लाइवलीहुड हेल्थ सब
विशेष करी किछि जिनिस जोगुडा आपण भाबुछन्ती चाषी मानकर एकदम मुख्य समस्या एवं सेगुडी को एई मुहूर्त रे जदि तार समाधान न खोजा जाय तबे आगामी भविष्य पर्यंत तार इफेक्ट रहइबो किबा तार असरता पड़िबो।
निश्चय रहइबो। हां
सेमति किछि विशेष समस्यार समाधान जोगुडी को अछि माने आपण को लागुछि जोगुडा कि एई मुहूर्त रे ताको समाधान करता उचित, सेमति किछि विशेष समस्या चाषी माने
चाष पई समय आवश्यक थाए। जेते बेले सीजन वाइज चाष हुए ना, यदि सीजन वाइज जदि सेमानंकु बिहन मिलिबनी, काम जदि लैंड प्रिपरेशन से ठीक समय रे हबनी, लोकंकर कोऑपरेशन रहिबनी, ताहले सबुबेले चाष कामटा इन्फ्लुएंस हबो सेतिपई जेतेबेले माने समय सेही समय रे ही काम करिवाकू पड़े ता पूर्वरु नुहे कि ता परे नुहे चाष कामटा तो सेतिकी जदि आमे जगी रखिकी जदि करिबा तापले ही
बुझिली धन्यवाद दमयंती मैडम आपन को जदि टिके ऐड करिया को चाहे एठी आपन को कोन लागुची मनरेगा रो आगामी भविष्य केमतिया कोन देखुछन्ते आपन एई वर्ष तो 150 दिन काम दबार प्रतिश्रुति हेची 207 टंका मध्ये हेची किंतु आगामी भविष्य रे आपन कोन देखुछन्ते लोक माने रहिबे पूरा सब दिन पर्यंत एथिरे ना भाबुछन्ते टिके जते बेले डर कमी जीव छाडी जीव मनरेगा को मध्ये छाडी के लोक पळेबे
एक्चुअली सत कहबाकू गले यूथ मास तो रहिबेनी जा मैडम कहउतले प्रमिला मैडम यूथ मास रहिबेनी किंतु जो माने फैमिली नै कि जाउथले से माने जिबेनी काइना किछि तो सिखि जाइचंती आउ रहिबे किछि मात्रा रहिबे करिवे भी ताकू तो समय सेते बेला कहिबो कि कोन सेटा करिवे किंतु एमजी एनर्जी तो बंद होबोनी कि माने सेटा तांकर काम चालिबो या तो माने लोक काम करंतु न करंतु से माने तांकर काम करिवे
माने सामाजिक स्थिति रे किछि विराट परिवर्तन जोटा आशा करि जाउथला अप्रैल मास रे जे मनरेगा रे रोजगार संख्या माने मजदूर संख्या बढ़ी कि बहुत बड़ संख्या हे जिवे आपन को लागु कि सेटा धीरे धीरे कमी खसी खसी जीवो
निश्चय खसी जीवो काइना देखंतु एबे सिना तांकर जरूरी अछि बोली दरकार अछि बोली से माने काम करजंती करिवे किंतु जेता बेले कोविड कमी जीवो किंबा ये हे जीवो टिके स्थिर हे जीवो तो से माने निश्चय से माने काम करिवा पई जीवे बाहर तो सेति पई तार व्यवस्था भी करिवा दरकार
ओके ठीक Pratap, if you could also come in here a little bit I'm sorry, Devashish, if you could come in a little bit here and comment on what you were saying also then. Sorry, Pratap, I was asking Devashish.
Okay. This interesting pattern which I've seen is that once the government has distributed PDS system, they have only distribution of rice and some dal. But due to people staying inside their houses, their consumption had initially increased by a lot. And then initially they realized that the food stock had come down. And now what you're seeing is that people are having not enough nutrition level in their food. So what this may imply is that in future times they may have a weakened immunity system towards a later diseases also, because staying inside their homes and eating only rice just to survive is for some time. But when you speak of a longer duration time, there needs to be a certain, what you say, mechanism to provide vegetables, like them having then also food. So as just said, as they say, the COVID will go. But if this thing remains over time, then we may see the future repercussions over time also, if people are not given the right amount of nutrition levels in the body, which I feel is very important right now.
Also आउ गोटे प्रश्न जोटा आपण मानक धन्यवाद देवाशीष आउ गोटे प्रश्न जोटा एक्चुअली हम भाबुथुनु प्रमिला मैडम आपण को also to you Pratap and Damayanti madam we can go in the same order that we went is that हमर पंचायत मानकर कोन रहिछि काम भूमिका ए सब रे एवं आउ गोटे जिंस जोटा कोविड हमको दर्शै दैछि सेटा होछि जे एक्सेसिबिलिटी पहुंचीबा लोकन को पाखु को सरकार रो जो पहुंचीबा क्षमता तो ए दुईटा जिंस विषय आपण मानकर कोन धारणा प्रमिला मैडम आपण जते जे कहिबे पंचायत स्तर रे केमती काम हेछि एवं पहुंचीबा लोकन पाखे सरकार ठीक करी कि माने फिजिकली जोटा कहंती शरीर आकार रे मध्ये पहुंची पारिछि ना नहीं खाद्य दबारे हो शिक्षा रे तो देखिले हमें से विषय रे आपण को कोविड कोन धारणा देला
जेतेबेले कोरोना माने कोविड समयटा जेतेबेले बहुत रिस्की थिला सेही समय रे समस्त सपोर्ट सहयोग करिसंती किंतु वर्तमान सेटा सेते नाही जहा जति की दूर से माने करूथले सेही प्रकार काम वर्तमान नाही पीडीएस सिस्टम जेमिति थिला पूर्वरु सेही प्रकार चली छी आउ सेमानकर स्वास्थ्य ପାଇଁ ଯାହା ଥିଲା ଅଙ୍ଗନବାଡି ତରଫରୁ ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟି ସେଥିମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଏଇ କରୋନା ପାଇଁ ବୋଲିକି ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ ଆକ୍ଟିଭିଟି କଟା ବି ହେଇଯାଇଛି। ବହୁତ ଜାଗାରେ ପ୍ରି ସ୍କୁଲ ବି ବହୁତ କମ ହଉଛି ଯେହେତୁ ସୋସିଆଲ ଗ୍ୟାଦରିଂ ହବ ପିଲାମାନେ ଆସିବେ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷ ହେଇପାରୁନି। ତା ସହିତ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉ ଘରକୁ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଯାଉଛି ଏସଏନପି ଯୋଉ ଫୁଡ ଯାହା ଯାଉଛି ସେଇଟା ବି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଠିକ ସମୟରେ ପହଞ୍ଚି ପାରୁନାହିଁ ଆଉ ଯୋଉମାନେ ହାର୍ଟ ଟୁ ରିଚ୍ ଏରିଆ ଅଛନ୍ତି ତ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ବହୁତ କଷ୍ଟ ହଉଛି। ଆଉ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଯାହାର ଭିଏଚଏନଡି ଯେମିତି ହଉଥିଲା ସେମିତି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ଲୋକମାନେ କିନ୍ତୁ ଅ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ରୂପେ ଠିକ ଠାକ ଲାଗୁନାହିଁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ।
Okay. Damanti madam, ଆପଣ?
ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ତ କହିବି ଯେହେତୁ କୋଭିଡରେ ହାତ ମିଳେଇକି କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ। ଯେହେତୁ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ସ୍ତରରେ ବି ବହୁତ ଗୁଡେ ହେଇଛି ଆମେ କହିବା ସରପଞ୍ଚକୁ ଗୋଟେ ଦାୟିତ୍ୱ ଦେଇଥିଲେ ଯେମିତି କି ଆମର ଥିଲା ଅଧିକାର ଦିଆଯାଇଥିଲା କି ଗୋଟେ ପାୱାର ଥିଲା।
Hmm. Madam, ଆପଣଙ୍କ voice ଟା break ହଉଛି। ଆପଣଙ୍କ voice ଟା actually break ହଉଛି। I think it got disconnected. Okay. Pratap, we'd also like to know from you in terms of what you've seen. If Gajapati also has a lot of difficult terrains and access has become an issue there also. So how do you think the government or the people have been able to tackle matters of access? So has the government been able to reach people in terms of its services? And how have the panchayats worked, especially at a time when the government of Odisha had declared that the panchayats will get the powers of collectors, and next few months saw huge tussles also coming out of it, and also some good decisions by local panchayats of setting up isolation walls, the quarantine centers as it was. So how do you see that has come up? Panchayat, what has, in terms of the long-term effect of it also, how has Panchayati Raj been affected by COVID and immediate decision making, etc.? So what is your view?
Yeah, during lockdown, the panchayats actually worked effectively during the lockdown period. So post lockdown, again, things went to normalcy, which is earlier. Again the powers held with the district magistrate, and distribution system again it came back to the normal way where people used to go to the PDS shop and they used to collect. Uh, and post lockdown things have been drastically changed with respect to panchayats and people who are involved in this panchayati Raj system. Uh, works, there is a kind of halt for the infrastructure works. I think there is again from the last 15 days or 1 month, few works have started with regard to different departments, but it's not as usual when compared to a pre-COVID period. And the one more interesting thing is this uh, housing schemes. See, the housing scheme is the one of the major livelihood creator for the rural population. So due to this COVID, this housing schemes, the money allocated to this rural housing schemes has been also halted. So all these things which are interlinked to each other, this the link departments, most of the projects have been also halted. So people are unable Sorry, are you able to hear me?
Yeah, able to hear you. I think you got muted. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. I just so and again access to financial services, basically banks. So due to this powers given to district magistrates, there is recently this few regions, few localities have been locked down or restricted because there were cases in those localities. And people in those localities have suffered a lot, uh, and government is also unable to provide the basic necessities in those people who has affected in those localities. And yet some interventions by the private parties has helped people. Again, they are charging their service charges, but anyways, they suppose for State Bank of India, other rural banks, they have this rural service centers where a guy or a guy can go to the villages, you know, uh, help the people to debit or credit their amount from the bank, taking some kind of service charge. These are these kind of technological interventions has somewhat helped people to get the access to cash. But in healthcare sector, the condition is worse, totally worse with respect to rural areas and semi-urban areas, because healthcare sector is totally dependent on private sector, and most of the our primary healthcare centers and tertiary healthcare centers are either inactive or lack of manpower and lack of resources. And these are all things suddenly came up when this COVID started. uh, then again, I think Devashish mentioned a very few good points. Nowadays, everyone is speaking of COVID. They were speaking about immunity and nutrition. So the access to food, access to nutritious food, which in a way helps to build a human immunity system. But due to this, due to this problems, access to nutrition food is difficult in this time, and which may lead to some other diseases or some other disorders in the people. So COVID is it's very kind of uncertainty as of now. So any predictions as of now, any trends may or may not work. But yes, nutritious food and immunity are the only two things today the world is talking about to tackle COVID rather than vaccine or medicine. So at least government should concentrate on at least this, so that at least people are able to tackle tackle this COVID or some other kind of diseases uh, through their immunity.
Yeah, thank you, Pratap. That is one of the important factors that you got is banking, which is true that there's been a huge crisis of bank and the accessibility of cash has actually become a huge problem. Thanks for bringing that. Damayanti madam, ଆପଣ କହୁଥିଲେ କିଛି ସେତେବେଳେ ଆପଣ ପଢିଥିଲେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
Hello, Abhiraz?
ଠିକ ଅଛି। ସୋ ହଁ ମୁଁ କହୁଥିଲି କି ଯଦି ହଁ ମୁଖ୍ୟତଃ ଆମେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଥା ବି ଶୁଣିଥିଲି ସେତେବେଳେ। So finally what we're trying to do is wrap it up. We're already over time. So if there are any final comments from anybody, we've heard our block experts and they've given us their comments. So if anybody else wants to make any final comments, they're welcome, and then we'll close the session. I think Mrityunjay wanted to speak. He had a comment on it. Has he left? Okay. So Anybody who wants to ask a question or make a final comment? Pramila madam ki Damayanti madam आपको कुछ कहना चाहिए finally? Okay. So I will quickly just give an overview of what we. Devashish, do you want to add anything? No. Okay. So what we tried and did today was we looked into 3 or 4 major issues. One of them is employment. We tried and looked into what conditions of Manrega have emerged, and the block experts notified to us that Manrega has been working, and although it has a promise of working for 1 more year, it will be difficult to hold on to people, as people have also found out are frightened and are also trying to move away because Manrega hasn't been able to give them enough opportunities and money, and there's been a communication gap. And the second major issue that came out as we were discussing at the end is accessibility. So these are the 2 fundamental problems that we witnessed. And majorly, I think the other fear that Pramila Madam was also talked about is crops have been hit and farmers have been also badly hit because farming requires its own time and it cannot wait for anything else. And hence, the COVID came in unexpectedly and has also thrown farmers into a lot of trouble. So thank you so much, Pramila Madam, Damayanti Madam, and Devashish and Pratap and ICAT team for organizing this. And thanks everyone who joined. We will close it here today. And yeah, thank you so much. I think it was quite good to get to know all these together, and it will surely help us collate our data better. And thanks. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Avinash.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.